So you have a photo, let's say, and you want to print it out. In that case, you can simply open out the photo right here just like this, and then go around over here onto your browser print option. So to do that, you need to click on the three dot button, and once the photo is full screen, simply choose print. And once you do that, you can see that you get the photo full screen right here. So you can choose a particular printer that you may have, but I don't have one, so I see save as PDF. So it acts like a virtual printer which saves the file in PDF instead. So you can set the layout to landscape or portrait, as you can see right here, and you can go to more settings right here and choose different paper size as well. Let's say, for example, in my case, I'm simply selecting A4. You can select the number of pages right here as well, and even go ahead and change the margin as you like as well. You can also enable the header and footer for the address if you want to, and enable and disable the background graphics, but that doesn't make much change. Once you're happy with what you see right here, you can simply click on save, or print for that matter, and then click on save. And once you do that, what happens is that the file will be saved as a PDF file. And that is how you can print photos by Google Photos directly as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.